Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Lainey. I am 45 years old from Dinagat Island, Philippines. I am married. I have three sons, ages 24, 22, and 17. My highest education attainment is high school. My expertise are child care, baby care, elderly. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years in total with three employers. Currently, I serve two couple and one child. My duties are taking care of baby, elderly children, cooking, and basic Chinese food, doing all household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, Mom and Sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and trustworthy. I promise to be good housemaid and promise to prioritize my job and finish all contract or more. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and looking forward to work with you.